Rearview mirrors are a must-have for every golf cart, especially if you're looking to make your golf cart street legal. If you are having issues choosing the best golf cart rearview mirror, then this video is for you. Based on a market survey, I was able to make a comprehensive list of the very best golf cart rearview mirrors available so you can choose the one best for your needs. Links to purchase every one of them are available in the video description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Coming in at number 1 is the 10L0L Universal Adjustable Golf Cart Rearview Mirror. This easy-to-install mirror affords a wide field of vision. Its 4-screw mount keeps it stable even on bumpy roads. This rearview mirror can easily be adjusted to any angle, is highly durable, and comes at a very affordable rate. Pros: durable and easy to install, relatively cheap. It has a wide field of vision. Cons: might be a little stiff. At number 2, we have the HKOO Golf Cart Rearview Mirror. This easy-to-install rearview mirror will give you great value for your money. It is made of real glass enclosed in an ABS plastic cover, which gives you a clear view and protects it from damage while also offering an extra wide field of vision. Pros: it is relatively cheap, easy to install, clear, wide range of vision, beautiful panoramic view. Cons: the pivot may loosen over time. Our third pick is the Betul 16.5-inch golf cart rearview mirror. Featuring a special curved design that allows for a wider field of vision, it is sturdy and simple to install. Its rotatable bracket will enable you adjust it to whatever angle that suits your needs. Its only drawback is that it does not come with an installation manual. At number 4, we have the Erkun 16.5-inch golf cart rearview mirror. This mirror gives you a 180-degree panoramic view and is easy to install. It is also compatible with various golf cart models and is very durable. Pros: wide-range clear panoramic view, easy to install, adjustable hinge. Cons: it cannot be used as a road rearview mirror. Coming in at number 5 is the Roykow Golf Cart Rearview Mirror. This rearview mirror is a universal fit for all golf cart models. Its real glass lens offers a distinctively clear and wide view. It also comes with a pair of side mirrors, which make it unique. It is also not pricey and comes with all installation hardware. Pros: very affordable and easy to install, clear and comprehensive field of vision, compatible with a wide range of cars and carts. Cons: side mirrors might not be high quality. At number 6, we have the 10L0L Universal Golf Cart 5-panel mirror. This universal golf cart 5-panel mirror offers the clearest views. With no drilling required, it is durable, firm, sturdy, and very affordable. Pros: doesn't vibrate on rough terrains. Cons: you may need a couple of mending plates in some situations. What is the best rearview mirror for club car? The 10L0L Panoramic Convex Rearview Mirror is our pick for that category. It is designed with a wider field of view, so you can easily see the cars and objects behind you. With its 16.5-inch wide convex mirror surface, you can easily conquer all roads. Its real glass lenses provide crystal clear vision and reduce blind spots for safer driving. The whole mirror set is wear and corrosion resistant and suitable for all weather conditions. Its main drawback is that it is not very sturdy. What is the best no-drill golf car rearview mirror? Our pick for this category is the Nokin's Golf Cart No-Drill Rearview Mirror. It provides better safety for you and your passengers and can be easily folded up for easy packing. Pros: installation is effortless, offers a very clear view, reduced vibrations, folds in when it hits an obstacle. What is the best place to put a golf cart rearview mirror? The best place to mount your rearview mirror is in the center of your roof support or overhead. This gives you a clear view of everything coming behind you at a glance. We hope that through this video, you can make an informed purchase decision on which rearview mirror would suit your needs best. Do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. See you next time.